If a self-driving car has to choose between hitting a dog or a trash can, it doesn't feel the choice, it calculates the math. This is the world of AI ethics. It isn't about teaching a robot to have a soul, it's about the mathematical logic of constraints. It is the art of giving a machine a goal, without letting it destroy the world just to reach it. Every AI is like a player in a game. Its only goal is to win points. This is its objective function. If you tell a robot to clean the house as fast as possible, its logic might decide the fastest way is to throw all your furniture out the window. It isn't being evil, it is being hyperlogical. It is following the objective without understanding the human cost. This is the logic of unintended consequences. To fix this, we use the logic of alignment. We introduce a referee. We don't just give the AI a goal, we give it constraints. We tell the machine, clean the house, but do not move the furniture, and do not make a noise. Ethics, in the digital age, is simply the art of adding a but to every command. We are aligning the machine's mathematical goals with our human survival logic. We build the fence before we start the engine. The final challenge is mirror logic. AI learns from us. If our history is biased or unfair, the machine's logic will be unfair too. It is a mirror that reflects our own flaws. The logic of AI ethics requires us to build filters, mathematical checks that look for unfair patterns, and correct the mirror before it becomes the truth. We aren't just teaching the machine, we are cleaning our own data. AI ethics proves that technology is a reflection of our own logic. By setting the right boundaries, we ensure the future is both smart and safe. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Please subscribe and support us as we build the knowledge vault. Thank you for joining the journey.